Welcome to my channel. For today's wash day, I will be using these three products: the new Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Water to Foam Shampoo with Aloe, Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Conditioner, and my very own unforgettable treasure Jamaican Black Castor and Papaya Strengthen, Seal, Restore Growth Oil. Keep on watching to see how it goes. It's time to shampoo. The new Carol's Daughter shampoo smells amazing. You guys have to try it.
You know you want this for this. You know you want this for this.
Wait, what just happened? Look at all those bubbles in my hair. I did not know I put that much soap in my hair. Like I'm having a sud bath. I didn't notice until I looked at my hands and the floor. But look at the bottle.
You know you want this for this.
It's time to condition with the Shea Moisture. Please comment below and let me know if you have used this and how did it work on your hair. Now I will be using my very own unforgettable treasure Jamaican Black Castor and Papaya Strengthen, Seal, Restore Growth Oil. My oil is packed with organic and natural ingredients, and it is handcrafted with a beautiful 4-ounce amber bottle with a twist Yorker cap for easy application. To purchase my oil, the link will be in the description box. Time to detangle my hair. I detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. I start from the ends of my hair and work my way up to the roots.
You know you want this.
I have used so many different combs on my wash days, and honestly, the wide tooth comb is the best one. The moment I realized I need to shave, I decided to part my hair and twist it up so that I can deep condition my hair under my cap.
You know you want this for this. You know you want this for this.
I condition my hair with a plastic bag, and I also use a hot head conditioning cap that I get from Thermal Hair Care, and the link for that cap will be in the description.
You know you might pay for this.
Comment below if you've used any of these products or would like to use any of them, and let me know how they worked out for you. To end my wash day, I will be using a microfiber towel that I purchased from a local flea market. You can get yours from many places I will put in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.